Hello, I'm Teacher Christine. This week we're learning about hygiene. What does it mean to have good hygiene? It means that we want to stay clean. How do we stay clean? Well, we need to wash your hands. Wash your hands. We need to use hand sanitizer, and we put some in our hands when we have some. Whoa. We get some out. Oh my goodness, there's none left. Oh, okay, here we go. Get a little bit, and then you just wash your hands like this. We rub all the way around and in our fingers, especially because we don't want to get other people sick. So when you sneeze, you want to sneeze one of two ways. You can sneeze into your elbow, achoo! Or you can sneeze into a tissue, achoo! Sometimes, if you're not quick enough, you're just gonna sneeze, achoo! But then you need to cover your mouth first, because then it's gonna get all over the place. So we gotta go, achoo! Okay, we don't wanna go, achoo! And then let it go everywhere. We want it to go into your hands. Ready? Achoo! Can you try that with me? Achoo! Okay, and then we're going to use hand sanitizer to clean our hands afterwards. Then we wipe and wipe and wipe. Or you can go to the bathroom and wash your hands. Okay, we're going to sing a song about sneezing, and then we're going to show you how to sneeze. Ready? Sneeze into your elbow. Achoo! Or sneeze into a tissue. Achoo! Ready? Let's sing about sneezing.
When you feel like something's tickling your nose and you really want to sneeze.
Oh.
Don't hold it back. That's the way it goes when you really need to sneeze. Don't be shy.
Achoo!
Don't be shy.
Achoo!
When you really want to sneeze. Wipe your nose.
Wipe your nose. Achoo!
When you really want to sneeze.
Achoo! 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 Really. Achoo! Ooh, your nose. Really want to sneeze. Get the hand sanitizer. Achoo!
Don't worry too much. It could just be the weather when you really want to sneeze.
Achoo!
Don't be shy.
Achoo!
Don't be shy. Achoo! When you really
Are you
want to
covering your mouth? Achoo! Oh, wipe your nose, not with your arm, with your tissue. Achoo! Yay! So I hope that when you sneeze, you will sneeze into your elbow, achoo! Into a tissue, achoo! Or into your hands, achoo! But we need to cover your mouth when you sneeze so we don't get everybody else sick. Okay? I hope you have a good day.